What the hell is going on here? See a bunch of wiring.
What is this?
Look at this. Look at all this wiring. Anyways, Alan's new car, and we were trying to change out the interior a bit. I mean, look at the door panels, chopped up. There's an extra speaker there.
Yeah, look at all this stuff. And there's a pile behind you too.
Yep, so all this crap was behind the center console there. Well, not this, but you know, it's all tucked away somewhere in the car. It's all speaker stuff and power amps and all that. Anyways, not needed. Trying to simplify things here.
And there was a speaker behind right here too. You can kind of see the mark.
Yeah, so there's speakers sitting there.
And I pulled this out. And it's actually another speaker sitting directly under the seat. So I got to pull the seat out and see what they did there.
Did it even sound good? It was okay. It was okay.
It was okay.
It wasn't like mind blowing.
You can make a far simpler setup that sounds better than this.
So you can see it out, trying to see what else is under here, what else is hidden. It's always kind of fun seeing what we get from the overseas cars. Hold on. There you go. That's it. I think.
Maybe I don't even have to pull the seat out. There's the speaker.
Nice.
Zip tie it on there.
Yep, can't have enough speakers apparently. And gauges. Can't have enough gauges. Will you find this in there? With the lighter?
Yep.
JDM lighter. Sick. Okay, so that's what's going on with Alan. And here's my Z. I know you guys haven't seen this in a while. But it's coming along. I buffed half of the roof. Just to kind of see what it'll look like, but yeah, it looks pretty good. I got a bunch of, little buffing dust everywhere. I should have covered it up better in here. Looks pretty good. I'm still looking to get a hatch glass. I hear that these break if you try to take it out. I mean, since these seals are so hard, this is supposed to be a rubber seal, by the way. Yeah, it's rock hard. I didn't paint this yet because I wanted to get the glass out, but I haven't got any leads on the glass yet. So this is still sitting here. Okay, and out back, I got my doors painted. When painting outside, obviously you're gonna get dust and bugs in there, but pretty good still. So the car is like 90% complete. I just need to do the hatch, I guess. But not bad for backyard paint job. There's still dents in here. You can probably see it. Much more comfortable painting than I am doing body work, but they kind of go hand in hand. If you're doing paint, you gotta do body work, but there's still dents in there. You can probably see it, but I'm okay with it. Back here I got my Toyota brake upgrade. Pretty common setup. It's just a Toyota 4Runner caliper, I believe. The rotors are somewhere in here. So I'll be doing that sometime this winter. I got this massive dual tip here. Check that out. I'm getting a different muffler sometime, and I want to stack the tips like this. Z's from Japan were offered with this kind of style tip. I mean, not this big, but they were stacked like this. So that's kind of what I'm going for. I'm probably going to have it on a V-band so I can switch it out if I don't like it. This side is just buff, or not buff, it's just wet sanded. Have yet to buff this. Wet sanded to 2000 grit. It's already smooth at 2000 grit, so I don't even go any higher than that. New tires. I don't think I showed you guys this yet. Nitto NT01s and 225 45 15 with my legit rotas. So that's what's up with the Z. It's half or mostly painted. Got some parts to throw on there like the brakes, and also got a fan over here. The dual electric fans. Trying to get rid of the clutch fan. Yeah. Still the same other than that. I didn't do anything else to the engine. Just want to get rid of this fan. I hear it kills power if there's a clutch fan without a shroud, so we'll see. I don't really like how there's fan noise every time I accelerate. Kind of, some people like it. But I'll be able to run the electric fan off my cool ECU thing. You can see the little screen there, but it has a setting for the kick on the fan at a certain temp. So excited to see how that works. But yeah, what do you guys think? What do you think about the color? I mean, it's kind of dirty right now, but this is how it will look. This took me about the whole summer until now. Working on and off on the car, not working on it the whole time. But yeah, it took a lot of time just doing it, a couple hours of work every day after work, and it's still not done. But I like how it turned out. Before anyone asks, these are 15 by 9 minus 15 wheels. Those are the specs. It's on 225 45 15 tires. Pretty decent stance. I don't rub or anything, so that's surprising, right? I mean, it's not that low. Back to Ellen. Getting better?
Yeah, I got the other two speaker things out, whatever they are.
Yeah, what are these things? I should probably look these up. I mean, you can't read Japanese, but it doesn't seem like it's a speaker. There's no, it just doesn't look like a speaker. It's just a heavy metal thing.
Maybe if you put power to it, it'll do something.
Maybe.
We'll find out later.
Still working in here.
It's like tied up or something.
The monstrosity wiring job done by you old Japanese people.
Oh, it's zip tied.
There's so much wiring. There's this big purple thing here.
Oh my god.
Look, all this crap was in the car.
And we didn't even get to the door panels yet.
I bet you they got like 10 more speakers right here. They probably got like a sub in here somewhere. By judging by this.
What? It wraps around here? Oh my god.
They're doing some crazy wiring job here.
So someone did a hit and run in my car. It's right here. So I was just on the freeway, I was driving straight, when all of a sudden this stupid Subaru merges into my lane too early, and then it hit my rear quarter panel. It was a lot worse before because I just pounded it out and then I buffed it a little bit. But yeah, I was gonna pull over, but then she kept going and I lost into traffic. So that sucks.
Apparently you get big trouble for that, right?
It's a felony. So I already reported to police. I got their license plate and then even used their license plate to look up their VIN number. So I reported that too. So they'll get what's coming to them.
Maybe.
I'm not too mad, even though that sounds weird, because I was going to put over fenders on anyway.
Well, you can't reveal the big secret, Alan.
Oh,
there it is.
I think I said it already.
Oh.
But yeah, you can see there's like rust there, previous Bondo, and obviously the hit and run that just happened. So.
Alright, so we can have fenders out to here. RWB style.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna go that aggressive, but.
Anyways, hit and run, we're getting over fenders. Not the biggest deal in the world, but still messed up.
They hit Skyline.
Yeah.
They didn't even know what they hit. That's the messed up part.
They didn't give a shit. They're like, fuck this car, I gotta go. They got away in traffic. It was during rush hour too, so I don't know how they just appeared on this.
No, they were like weaving through traffic. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anyway, this side is good. Look at this. It's mint.
Yeah, this side looks nice.
Oh, look at this subwoofer thing. Nice.
Oh yeah, this is behind the car too. Super old school.
Got the boombox bazooka.
Built-in amplifier. Pioneer. However you say that.
There you go. $1,000 to breast offer. Straight from Japan.
Whoa, it's like some jelly.
Yeah. Weird stuff.
This car is straight up built in the 90s.
It's fantastic. You're trying to D90s it.
Alright, so you guys saw the speaker that was sitting about this area. They cut out a hole to fit it. Like, these guys are all about it. Here, look at that side.
Yep, so there was a speaker here, but you had to cut into the door to get it to fit. Of course.
Yeah, and they got this nice little wood block down here for this.
Well, that's one side done.
Yeah. No more stupid speaker. Oh yeah, these are new door panels that I got. Same pattern too.
This grill's not cut down there.
Oh yeah. So much better. Just some things that people do to their cars. I'll never know.
Well, that's one side. We're gonna do this side later, I guess. But yeah, it used to look like this. So we got most of the wiring out of here. It's just the OEM harness now. So all that's out.
There's even more over here too.
Yeah, there's more wires back here.
Yeah.
Can't really see, but yep, a lot of crap in the car is not really needed. I mean, I like a good sound system, but you know, some stuff is kind of overkill.
Didn't even sound good.
Ooh.
I'm sorry. Someone worked very hard.
Someone in Japan in 1995 worked really hard. He just shit all over their work. Anyway, that's probably it for this video. We're gonna finish the rest of this up later on a different day. Getting cold, hungry. We did one side at least. But on the next video, we'll probably be putting parts on the Z.